Homes Decor Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever walked into your sunroom and thought, this space has so much potential but I just don't know how to use it? You're not alone. A sunroom is one of the most underrated spaces in a home, and when done right, a dedicated seating area can transform it into your favorite room. Today we're diving into the sunroom seating area, covering everything from its meaning and amazing benefits, to a complete decorating guide and of course, our top 15 best sunroom seating area ideas to inspire your next home project. We're aiming for a space that's cozy, bright, and functional all year long. Get ready to soak up some serious design inspiration. So what exactly defines a sunroom seating area? At its core, a sunroom is a glass-enclosed space, often attached to the side or back of your home, designed to let in an abundance of natural light. It serves as a beautiful transitional zone, perfectly bridging the gap between the comforts of your indoor living space and the refreshing feel of the outdoors. A sunroom seating area is simply the designated zone within this light-filled room that is purposefully furnished for sitting, lounging, or gathering. It's not just a storage space for extra furniture. It's an intentional area that maximizes the natural light and panoramic views. Unlike a three-season porch, which may only be usable for part of the year, a well-designed sunroom seating area, especially in a four-season room, is an all-weather retreat. Think of it as a second living room, but with an endless supply of vitamin D. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of having a thoughtfully designed sunroom seating area. First and foremost, a sunroom is a massive mood and health booster. The abundant natural light increases vitamin D production, which is essential for bone health and can significantly boost your energy and mood. Having a dedicated, sunny spot to relax, read, or meditate can serve as a tranquil escape from the stresses of daily life, without ever having to leave your home. Beyond the personal health perks, adding a functional sunroom seating area is a smart financial investment. As usable square footage, a high-quality sunroom can substantially increase your property's appeal and overall resale value, making your home stand out on the market. Furthermore, it creates a flexible, multifunctional living space. It can be anything your main living room isn't: a peaceful reading nook, a vibrant playroom for the kids, a home office with a spectacular view, or a beautiful spot for entertaining guests. By dedicating a section to seating, you ensure this room is used and appreciated to its full potential, extending your home's usable space and truly bringing the outdoors in, shielded from bugs, rain, and harsh temperatures. The key to decorating a sunroom seating area to look good lies in balancing indoor comfort with outdoor durability, while maximizing the natural light. Start by defining your function and flow. Decide whether your space is primarily for deep lounging, casual dining, or a mix of both, and arrange your furniture to facilitate that. Since sunrooms receive intense UV light, fabric choice is crucial. Ditch delicate indoor textiles and opt for performance-grade fabrics like sunbrella or other indoor-outdoor materials that resist fading and are easy to clean. This ensures your seating looks vibrant for years to come. Next, focus on color and texture. A light, neutral base palette, think whites, creams, or soft grays, on the walls and main seating will reflect light and keep the space bright and airy. You can then inject personality with pops of color and pattern through area rugs, throw pillows, and blankets. Natural textures are your best friend here. Think rattan, wicker, jute, or woven materials for furniture and rugs, which reinforce the indoor-outdoor connection. Finally, don't neglect greenery. Potted plants, hanging planters, or even a small vertical garden are non-negotiable. They thrive in the light and instantly add life, color, and a sense of serenity. Consider installing proper window treatments, like sheer curtains or bamboo shades, that can be pulled back to let the light in but closed to provide necessary shade and privacy during peak sun hours. To create that perfect sunroom oasis, here are the absolute best items you should consider for your seating area. First, wicker or rattan furniture, the classic choice. It's lightweight, durable, and instantly brings a natural, relaxed, outdoor-inspired feel to the room. Second, performance fabrics and cushions, essential for longevity. Look for UV and moisture-resistant materials that can withstand the intense sunlight without fading or mildewing. Third, a statement area rug. Choose an indoor-outdoor rug made of materials like polypropylene or jute. It anchors the seating arrangement, adds texture, and softens hard flooring like tile or concrete. Fourth, a hanging chair or daybed. This is a luxury item that elevates the space, offers a unique seating option, and provides a cozy, dedicated reading or napping spot. Fifth, multifunctional tables. Opt for coffee tables or side tables made of glass, metal, or durable wood that can handle potential moisture and are easy to wipe clean. Nesting tables are great for small spaces. Sixth, abundant greenery. Fill the room with potted plants like ferns, palms, or succulents. They purify the air and reinforce the feeling of being in a peaceful garden. Seventh, environmental controls. A ceiling fan is a must-have for air circulation in the warmer months, and if you have a four-season room, consider a stylish electric fireplace for warmth in the winter. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. We've gathered the best sunroom seating concepts, ideas that take all of our tips and turn them into a stunning reality. As you see the visuals, pay attention to how light, texture, and color work together to create a unique mood. 1. Vintage wicker cottage with striped rug. This design features classic curved wicker sofas and a rocking chair, all softened by plush cushions in traditional green patterns. The large blue and white striped area rug anchors the seating arrangement and adds a vibrant coastal or farmhouse touch. This space perfectly blends a casual, airy feel with elegant, heirloom-style furniture. 2. Bay window dining and lounge space. A multifunctional sunroom utilizing a large bay window layout. The seating area features a rustic, long wooden dining table surrounded by mismatched chairs, giving a homey, eclectic feel. The neutral tile floor and abundance of natural light are softened by oversized paper pom-poms and ceiling greenery, creating a charming, celebratory atmosphere. 3. Modern boho industrial sunken lounge. This seating area is tucked against a dark, dramatic accent wall, creating a cozy, almost sunken feel separate from the main interior space. A low, gray sectional is piled with warm, patterned pillows, offering deep comfort. Hanging plants, a jute rug, and a mix of indoor greenery give the space an earthy, bohemian vibe. Perfect for relaxation and reading. 4. Classic conservatory with brick flooring. Elegance meets tradition in this bright seating area, featuring a herringbone-patterned brick floor that provides a rustic outdoor connection. The furniture consists of a delicate linen-upholstered sofa and 2 matching armchairs, giving a formal but inviting look. Exposed dark wood beams on the ceiling add architectural contrast to the surrounding white windows and walls. 5. Sleek Victorian solarium with defined zones. This grand solarium is defined by its dramatic angular black glass roof and window frames. The space is expertly divided into a formal dining area and a bold seating area, featuring an eye-catching curved orange velvet sofa. The darker palette and rich wood furniture give the room a sophisticated, historic conservatory feel, while the hanging ferns maintain the indoor-outdoor theme. 6. Lush botanical garden room. Designed as an extension of the garden, this magnificent sunroom features soaring ceilings and arched windows. Overstuffed, ultra-comfortable white seating is surrounded by an incredible array of indoor plants, including ferns and large fiddle-leaf figs, creating a tropical oasis. The stone-clad wall and tiled floor reinforce the luxurious, permanent feel of this stunning retreat. 7. Arched window breakfast nook. This intimate sunroom seating area is primarily a cozy dining space. The striking feature is the repetitive use of arched windows, which beautifully frame the outdoor view and fill the room with light. A simple, rustic wooden oval table and Windsor-style chairs sit atop a soft area rug, making this an ideal spot for bright morning meals. 8. Orangery style with vibrant accents. A bright, cottage-style sunroom with white paneled walls and terracotta tile flooring. The seating is a mix of styles, a patterned settee and upholstered armchairs, brought together by vibrant orange and teal throw pillows. Large potted plants and sculptural tree branches create a dramatic, decorative look, emphasizing the room's function as a plant-filled retreat. 9. Contemporary open-plan conservatory. This sunroom is characterized by its large sloping ceiling, multiple skylights, and expansive view of the garden. The space cleverly integrates multiple zones, featuring a patchwork-style sofa and patterned accent chairs for lounging, alongside a round wood dining table. The bright yellow geometric rug adds a modern pop of color and anchors the main seating area. 10. Dramatic Industrial Swing Lounge. This seating area is ultra-modern, featuring 2 stunning sculptural hanging chairs made of natural rope and metal, against a raw, dark brick wall. The industrial aesthetic is softened by large, exotic potted plants like agave. The unique hanging seating creates a dramatic focal point and a relaxed, bohemian luxe feel. 11. Mid-century modern transition space. A compact sunroom serving as a smooth transition between the main house with separated by glass sliders and the exterior. The seating is minimal, a single rattan chair and a small black side table, anchored by a soft, patterned rug. The simple, light-toned walls and wood ceiling keep the focus on the sleek, retro-modern design of the interior room it overlooks. 12. Cozy Rustic Cabin Sunroom. This room embodies a warm log cabin aesthetic with knotty pine walls and ceilings. The seating is dedicated to deep comfort, featuring overstuffed leather sofas and a massive leather armchair and ottoman. A dark, ornate rug defines the seating zone, complemented by a wood-burning stove for year-round warmth, creating an ultimate cozy den with a view. 13. Grand Covered Porch with Stone Fireplace. While bordering on a porch, the large-scale and glass-paneled walls qualify this as a deluxe 3-season room. The centerpiece is a magnificent floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. The seating features durable, dark-woven resin furniture with crisp gray and coral cushions, arranged symmetrically around the fireplace, providing an elegant outdoor living feel. 14. High-contrast modern farmhouse chic. A stunning high-contrast sunroom defined by brilliant white walls and dramatic black window frames. The seating is sophisticated, featuring a gray sofa flanked by 2 white striped armchairs. The centerpiece is a luxurious leather-tufted ottoman serving as a coffee table. The black and white checkerboard floor adds vintage glamour and grounds the bright, airy space. 15. Modern outdoor living with fire pit. This sunroom seamlessly opens to the backyard with large sliding doors, featuring a slatted pergola roof that lets in controlled light. The seating area is built around a modern concrete fire pit, with streamlined wood and white cushioned armchairs and a built-in wooden bench. This design focuses on contemporary outdoor entertaining and relaxation. Whether you lean toward the breezy coastal look, the minimalist Zen retreat, or the cozy 4-season lounge, the sunroom seating area is a space that should prioritize light, comfort, and durability. Remember, your sunroom should feel like a retreat, a true oasis that allows you to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors without any of the elements. By choosing the right furniture, layering in performance-grade textiles, and embracing natural textures and greenery, you can transform this often forgotten room into your home's most beloved sanctuary. We hope this guide has shone a light on your next home decor project. Which of our top 15 ideas was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert tips and inspiring home transformations. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our next design deep dive. Check the description box for links to all the products and resources mentioned in today's video. Happy decorating, and we'll see you in the next one.